Welcome back. There's always been questions about how to insert SIM card into the SIM tray. Well, it's actually quite simple, but in this case, we have a SIM tray that actually also serves as a microSD. You can see from here is SIM1 on this side, and over the other side is actually for SIM2 and is also labeled SD. In normal circumstances, when we insert this, we can insert the SIM1 over here easily. That's usually how we do it, right? And then we have the SIM2 inserted this way, vertically. Alright? So this is how we do it for this sort of SIM tray. So SIM1 over here and SIM2 over here. And you make sure that they fit into the slot snugly so that it won't drop off when you insert this into your handphone. So what can we do if you want to use a microSD card with this handphone? In this case, you can actually sacrifice one of the SIM slots, in this case SIM2, and insert your microSD card into this SIM2 slot. So this is how you do it. In this case, we have a microSD over here, so remove it. Okay. So this is a microSD card, and then over at this end, we'll remove the SIM2. Right, this is SIM2 that we inserted earlier, and then we will insert this SD card this way. Okay, vertically into this slot, and you can see that it actually fits perfectly into this slot. Right? So basically, that's how you install the microSD card into the SIM2 slot. And if you flip it over, this is the SIM1. So SIM1 and microSD card on the SIM2 slots. That's how simple it is. Once you are done with it, you can actually insert it into your handphone. I'm not sure whether you can see the slots. So this is how you insert it in. And you're done. Right? So to remove it, as per usual, use the pin. And you remove it this way. And this is the SIM card and the microSD card. Okay? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.